and welcome back to my channel. It's Gillian here, and thanks so much for tuning into this video. Happy New Year, happy 2022. I know this is the new year, and since the year started, I have not made any videos, and I apologize, but I'm trying, okay? I'm gonna come back here slowly but surely, no promises, but I'm definitely working on it. I'm in a new space, so we're gonna chit chat about that someday. But y'all, I installed this wig today and I love it. I'm glad I filmed it for you guys. It was super easy. I promise this video is not gonna take too long. I kind of sped through the process, but I'm going to explain it to you guys. So yeah, hope y'all love this wig. I posted a couple of short clips of the wig on Instagram, and let's just say I've inspired a lot of other ladies to try frontals, because y'all know I don't like frontals a lot. But the way I installed it in this video, it's super easy, and I'll show y'all everything. But if you feel like you want to try frontal after this, let me know, okay? So this is the wig I installed for the side part. I had installed this wig before, and I did a reel on Instagram, and it kind of went viral, so I had to do it again. And let's just say I love it, and I know you guys are feeling the look. So watch the video till the end, like, drop a comment, please let me know if I look beautiful, if you like the video, if you would like to see videos like this, what other kind of videos would you like to see. Drop all of those in the comments below, and I will definitely respond to y'all. Everything I used in this video is in the description box below. The hair, of course, from me, of course. Lashes from me. Lash glue. I didn't do much filming of my makeup because this is more for the hair. So please don't ask me for makeup because I'm not a makeup artist, okay? I try to look cute, and that's all I do. But I'm not gonna keep y'all too long. Let's get right into the video. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Okay, now let's get into the video. So this is the wig we're going to be installing today. I already washed the wig because I had worn it before, so I washed it, styled it, and I am about to put it on. So my hair grows a lot, and the sides, the widow's pig, and my sideburns, they're just growing way too much and coming way too close to my brows. So I'm shaving that off. I saw this from Jackie Anna, so please, nobody should come for me. I'm using this edge control. This is the only one. It's Cantu. This is the only one that can tame my edges down, if at all I have edges at this point, because my hair has grown too much. Please don't come for my cornrows. Just watch the video, I beg. These cornrows have been on for too long. I have to take them out, I know, but I won't for this video, y'all. Just bear with me, okay? I'm using my wig cap. I'm just going to pull that and then push that back. I'm not gluing this wig cap down because, y'all, this glue is not even going to touch my hair, okay? I'm just putting this on just for saving my edges. And I'm going to go in with my makeup. I use the 368 from Fit Me, and I'm going to put that underneath the lace on the wig, and I'll put some on my wig cap. So just dab that and spread it evenly, okay? Don't put it all in one spot. Just spread it evenly on the lace, and yeah, you should be good. Put some on the back, and if your lace is not cut yet, put some of the makeup on the lace too. That would help make the lace blend properly. So I went on and put some makeup too on the cap just so everything is tinted properly. And to put the wig on, I used the band first and secure it in the back before I put the wig on. And here I'm just measuring it to make sure it fits my head, cutting out some parts of the lace that might be poking up or that are just not aligning properly. Now you can see why I actually shaved out some parts of my hair on my hairline just so the wig can look better. Y'all, please don't shave your hair because you saw me doing it. I did it because I wanted this wig to look better, okay? If your wig can look good with your edges but don't put glue on it, that's fine. If you have a big forehead, even better. You don't have to worry about shaving it, okay? So I am just going to do that, put some more makeup on the lace. As you can see, put makeup on the lace too, so it blends really well. Use some clips. I hold the hair back and I'm going to push the wig all back, and I'm using my Hold Me Down glue from Erica J. I cleaned my hairline, but I mean I didn't have a clip of it in this video, but I did clean my hairline with a skin protectant before putting the glue. And as you can see, I'm putting the glue on my skin, not on my hair. Okay, please don't put glue on your hair. If some goes on your edges, you can use alcohol to take it out, but don't even get there, sis. Just put the glue on your skin, or put a wig cap before you put glue. Okay, so the glue kind of goes on the wig cap. As you can see me doing, I'm just putting 2 layers because this wig is going to be on for a week maximum. Okay, and I'm going to be showing you guys tips and tricks on how I take care of the hair to last me for a week on my Instagram page. So follow me. My Instagram is right here, Gancy Fame. Follow me on Instagram. Watch my stories this week because I'm going to show you guys what I do. So 2 layers, let it dry clear, and I just carry the wig and put it on the glue. Okay, I kind of went fast with this process and I did miss some clips, but again, that's all I do. Just take the glue, put it on, and then I'm going to tie my melt band down. So I tied my melt band down and started doing my makeup. Y'all, please don't come for me. Like I said, I'm not a makeup artist. I just took this out so I can blend my makeup properly. I'm using alcohol and a cotton bud because I want to clean up any excess glue that came on my skin and was not underneath the lace. I do that so I don't get any residue and it melts and looks effortlessly. And then I'm going to blend my makeup so it blends with the lace and everything just flows very smoothly. So just watch how I do it, and yeah. So makeup done, hair done, and y'all, I love it, okay? And I hope you guys like it too. So don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Yo, I wasn't gonna do an outro video, but I look too cute to not do an outro video. So we're either just gonna sit here and stare at each other until you subscribe, or you can tell me what other kind of videos you would like to see me do so I can keep looking cute for y'all, or I don't know. But I mean, that's enough of me ranting. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Hope you loved it. Again, let me know in the comments what you think. But yeah, I loved doing this. This was different. I really liked doing this. So if you want to throw shade in the comments too, go ahead. Okay, that's fine. I understand. It's okay. I like nice and not so nice comments. So go ahead. But thank you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Hopefully it's not in a couple months, but I'll make sure I see you guys soon.